Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all. Welcome back to the class of EVS. Yes, we learned about my neighborhood in the previous classes. We learned the chapter my neighborhood in the previous classes, isn't it? Yes. Today, let's move on to the textbook exercises for this chapter. All of you take out your EVS textbook, pencils, erasers. Okay. Then open page number 172. All of you open page number 172. Put on date, children. Yes. Let's discuss the exercises. All of you listen carefully. First one, tick the true statement. Okay, you have to tick the true statement. Okay, and cross the incorrect one. First one, we keep our money in a police station. We keep our money in a police station. Is it true or false, children? Yes, that is false. We keep our money and valuables in a bank. Okay, so all of you cross mark it, first one. Then second one, we go to the hospital when we are sick. Is it true or false? Very good, it is true. All of you tick mark it. Third one, we keep our cars in a park. Yes, is it true or false, children? Very good, that is false. Fourth one, we buy things from a market. We buy things from a market. Is it true? Okay, it is true. Fifth one, we can send letters from a post office. Yes, it's again true. All of it tick mark. Then question number B, answer the following question orally. Okay, answer the following question orally. You have to give the answers. Okay, let me ask question. Why do we need a bank? Why do we need a bank? Yes, tell me, children, the answer. Yes, to keep our money and valuables safe. We need bank to keep our money and valuables or jewelry safe. Okay. Then second question, name a hospital in your neighborhood. Yes, any hospital. You can write any hospital like PVS hospital, then baby memorial, then MIMS. You can write anything. Then third question, is there a market near your home? Yes, you can write yes or no. What is the name of your neighborhood market? Yes, it's again up to you. You can write your neighborhood market's name. Okay. Then next one, name the things that are sold there. Yes, it's maybe vegetables, fruits, then bags and groceries, anything. You can write anything. Then question number B, C. Answer the following questions. Okay, again. What is a neighborhood? Tell me, children, what is a neighborhood? Yes, we already learned about neighborhood. Yes, places around our home. That is our neighborhood. Yes, what is a neighborhood? Places around our homes. Isn't it? Yes. Second question, who help us to stay safe? Who help us stay safe? Yes, police. Police help us to stay safe. Isn't it? Yes, protect us from thieves. Okay. Then third question, how does a post office help us? Yes. Yes, post office help us to send letters, then parcels, money orders and give us stamps. Isn't it? Yes. Then fourth question, name some places in your neighborhood. Yes, it's up to you. You can write any places near in your neighborhoods. Maybe school, it's maybe shopping mall. You can write the name. Okay. Yes. Then page number 173. All of you listen. Read and match. Okay, here we can see some pictures. Let me read. First one. Raju has fever. His parents are taking him to the, yes, very good, hospital. Taking him into the hospital. Okay. Then second one. Anwar has to buy milk. He is going to the, very good, milk booth. Yes, all of you match it. Milk booth. Third one. There has been a fire in the neighborhood. People are going to the fire station. People are going to the fire station. Yes. Fourth one. Some goods have been stolen from Shirley's house. Her father going to the, yes, police station. Her father going to the police station. Then life skills. Okay, find out the telephone numbers of these places. Yes, this is your homework. You have to find out the telephone numbers. Police station, fire station and ambulance. Okay, with the help of any elder or your parent. Okay, then values for life. Which of these neighborhoods would you choose to live in? Why? Yes, look at these two pictures, children. Yes, first picture is very dirty place, isn't it? Yes, and second one is very neat and clean. So we have to choose the second one. Okay, second picture. Then turn your page, children. Then take page number 173. Sorry, 74. Hordes. Okay. Where would you find these vehicles parked? Where would you find these vehicles parked? Here we can see three pictures. Okay, pictures of vehicle. Look at the first picture. Yes, that is, we can see in the hospital. We can see in the hospital. Yes, second one in the police station. In the, we can see this vehicle in the police station. Yes. Then next one, yes, we can see these vehicles in the fire station. Okay, fire station. Is it clear, children? First one hospital, second one police station and third one fire station. Then activity. Can you see that picture? This is a fruit shop. Okay, fruit shop or fruit market. You have to color the picture, children. Okay, you have to color the picture neatly. Fruits and vegetable market. Okay, this is a fruits and vegetable market. So you have to color the picture neatly. Okay, with this we came at the end of this lesson. Okay. Okay, children, you have to do the textbook exercises at your home neatly, and also life skills. You have to find the numbers of police station, fire station and also ambulance. Then color the picture. Okay, finish the textbook exercises for the chapter My Neighborhood. Okay, thank you, children. Let's see in the next class.